market of the bird, and I look for the bird because it's the bird, its location is tanah merah. It's a traditional about buy of bird. You know, if you want to look for bird, I can that so many bird is there. So join with me there with to look for the bird. Okay, come on. Is any look bird kind of bird? Okay, bye. Okay guys, we are here at location and the people selling many animals from kind of bird. Here some kind of birds is like a cendet and lovebird and canary and etc. And and some kind of animals, the day of market is every Saturday. Usually every Saturday is this market is crowded, and the people saw dogs, a cow, a goat, and rabbit, and etc. Enough for me until here for looking for market of tradisional it Madura, especially it village Tanah Merah. And don't forget subscribe and comment to here. Okay,